Do you know where your money is? Don't click this video off. Most entrepreneurs are money avoiders. I can't hear you. They don't want to know about where their money's coming in or where their money's going out. And I sit down and they go, but Kathy, I didn't think you were my accountant. I'm not. I am a business strategist who wants you to build a profitable and sustainable business. So here's the big secret, okay? When you know the information about the line items of where all your money comes in, the revenue streams that come in, and the products that come in and how that comes in, and then you know the costs that go out. It's a simple document. I want you to take the emotion out of it and look at it like data, okay? And your bookkeeper is a perfect person to be able to do that for you. You don't need to wait till the end of the year to hire an accountant to do it. A bookkeeper can give you a line item of where the money comes in and where the money goes out. Now, here's the secret about why this is so important. Because once you understand where the money comes in and comes out, and I can tell you to release yourself from the emotion of how you tie that in to be a reflection of your success or a measure of your success. I don't want you to do that. Let's look at it as just math and data for right now, because you're a business owner. You chose to do this. So you have to put on your big girl pants and look at this data. And then you can make smarter decisions because you're more informed about what your lease costs and how much your insurance costs. And oh my God, I didn't realize this product was so profitable, or this product really made me no money, or that marketing campaign was completely a loser. So I want you to understand that it's just like doing a food journal. If you want to run a healthy business, think of it as like a healthy lifestyle. You would do a food journal and no one would look at it. No one, it's not up to your competitors, your neighbors, your girlfriend, even your husband to look at your food journal. But if you said I wanted to live a healthier lifestyle, you would look at where you allocate your calories. If you quietly look at if all of your calories go to chips, all your calories are spent at night, eating bonbons by the television, or do you eat a lot of vegetables? You get to make a decision about making a healthier choice about what you eat. It's the same thing in business. When you look at the line items of where you're spending your money, you get to feel in control. You get to be proactive. You don't ever get to be shocked. You get to decide how you're going to run a profitable and sustainable business because you understand the simple data, the simple math of what comes in and goes out of your business. That's your back pocket strategy. And when this works, next year I want you to send me a huge gift card and a thank you, because you're going to be relieved because you're going to be in control of how you turn out your business for 2014. That's your back pocket strategy for the week. Make it a great week.